how to make irresistible chicken wings. Say goodbye to takeout and hello to homemade perfection. Today, I'll show you how to create mouth-watering chicken wings with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Here's the lineup. 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder and onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half cup of your favorite wing sauce. Start by patting the chicken wings dry. This is key for crispiness. Mix wings with the spices and baking powder. Bake or fry your chicken and remember to flip. After cooking, toss the hot wings in sauce and voila, perfection achieved. Did this recipe make your mouth water? Hit like, subscribe, and share with a fellow foodie. Follow Everything Food 102 for more easy-to-follow, delicious recipes that bring joy to your kitchen. Enjoy.